Stoicism is an ancient Greek philosophy that emphasizes practical wisdom and virtue. The goal is to live a life of peace and contentment by focusing on what you can control, rather than what you cannot. Let's begin by looking at how meditation can help us become more present in the moment. Meditation helps us slow down and become aware of our thoughts and feelings without judgment or attachment. It allows us to step back from our busy lives and create a sense of stillness within ourselves. This practice helps us become more mindful, leading to greater clarity and understanding in our lives. Journaling is another great way to bring Stoic practices into your life. Writing down your thoughts can help to clear your mind and identify any irrational beliefs or negative thinking patterns that may be causing problems in your life. Journaling also allows us to reflect on events that have happened over time, helping us gain insight into our behavior and develop better self-awareness. Living with purpose is another core tenet of Stoicism. When we have a sense of purpose in life, it gives us direction and meaning, allowing us to make important decisions about how we want to live each day. Stoicism encourages us to be honest about our values so that we can create goals aligned with those values that will bring true satisfaction throughout our lives. Finally, let's talk about acceptance. Acceptance of both the good things that come into our lives as well as the bad things we must sometimes endure. We can't always control everything that happens around us, but with Stoicism we recognize how little control we actually have over external events. Instead, we focus on controlling how we respond internally so that no matter what happens externally, on the inside we are able to remain calm, patient, courageous and wise, true hallmarks of a Stoic life. Thank you for joining me today as I explored some practical ways you can use Stoic wisdom for everyday life. Until next time.